Understanding the phrase, a 10 out of 10 in English. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a very interesting and popular phrase in English, a 10 out of 10. This phrase is commonly used in various contexts, and understanding it can really enrich your English language skills. So, let's dive in and learn all about this expression. The phrase, a 10 out of 10, refers to a perfect score or rating. It originates from a rating system where 10 is the highest possible score. When something is described as a 10 out of 10, it means it is exceptional, perfect, or of the highest quality. This phrase is often used in contexts like rating movies, restaurants, performances, or even in casual conversations to describe something highly impressive. In a figurative sense, a 10 out of 10 is used to express strong approval or admiration. It's not just limited to rating. It can describe anything that is considered outstanding or flawless. For example, her performance was a 10 out of 10, meaning her performance was flawless. That new cafe is a 10 out of 10 in terms of ambiance and food, meaning the cafe is exceptional in both ambiance and food. Like many English phrases, a 10 out of 10 has variations. People might say 10 out of 10 without the article a, or they might use different numbers, like 8 out of 10 for something good but not perfect. The structure remains the same, indicating a rating or a level of quality. This phrase is commonly used in everyday English in both formal and informal settings. It's a great way to sound fluent and expressive in your English conversations. However, it's important to use it in appropriate contexts to avoid confusion or misinterpretation. And that's all on the phrase, a 10 out of 10. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase effectively in your English conversations. Remember, learning such phrases can really add a natural flair to your language skills. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.